Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a bit to go through. Obviously, we've got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. That is a given on my channel. An interesting tweet just came out not long ago as well from Goldman Sachs. We're going to have a look at that as well. Obviously, we've got the XRP army, not community, the army obviously calling out Bloomberg for a misleading report right here, which is interesting as well. Ethereum could see a price surge, which is really interesting as well. Obviously, Bitcoin scarcity is on the rise, given the halving is not far away. Yes, Bitcoin is back up $26,500. The US SEC is not coming after Cardano, which is really interesting as well. Coinbase is going to be delisting 7 altcoins, again, probably from securities reasons, but there's one in there that I was looking at a long time ago. Obviously, XRP being the dominant crypto among young crypto investors. There you go, legends. And Solana, an update with Solana as well being integrated with Shopify. So there is quite a bit to go through today, and I also am going to go through my crypto trading bots because I'm up today, which is really good. Anyway, guys, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? Make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely freaking rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Formalities are out of the way. I'm going to go straight to the community tab. There's a few things in here that I put up today. Yes, that is no BS. $202 made today with my crypto day trading bots, which are in the Patreon. Again, this is my real account, and I'll show you that in a second, which is crazy. Link is below for that, guys. What would you do with your crypto gains? And this is out of 1,200 votes. There's a lot of votes, right? But invest, 44%. Love it. Smart. Property, 31% of you. A Lambo, 4%. Pay the bills, 17%, and pay the debts. That's a must, especially with credit card debt. Get rid of that. 4% said holiday. Look at this, man. 44%. 4% only said they're going to buy a Lambo. That's insane. You guys are awesome. Love it. Legends. Now, this is crazy, right? Now, Slumdoge Millionaire, right? The Doge Millionaire. I don't know if anyone actually remembers this, but yeah, I can't remember his name, but anyway, Slumdoge Millionaire, right? His portfolio was literally all Dogecoin. $2.9 million in gains. $2.9 million US in gains, and it has officially dropped to $50,000. I'm just like, wow, man. Incredible. That is incredible. That, to me, I don't even know what to say, but I'll say this, right? If that was me and I had $2.9 million in profits, I mean, yes, you're going to pay tax on that. That's just not all profit. You're going to pay tax on it, that's for sure. However, I would have taken at least half of that money, put it into my dividend-paying stocks. You'd have literally money coming in every single month for the rest of your life, literally. And at the moment, my stock portfolio is generating around about 30% returns a year, believe it or not. So, I mean, on a $1 million investment, that's going to be $300,000 a year, which is just insane. So again, prime example during the next bull market. If you're seeing gains like this, take profits. Don't sit there, because this is what happens. I mean, look, the positive thing is that everyone learns, but I hope that a lot of younger investors out there don't think that you can make gains like $2.9 million and then it go down to $50,000. That's just insane. I would have immediately cashed out half of that and taken some profits and then invested that. Again, you all are very, very smart who are watching this right now. 44% out of 1,200 people. Awesome. just be careful, all right? That's all I'm saying. Take profits. That's the most important thing you can be doing in crypto during the bull market. If the prices are going up and you're seeing whopping gains, take profits, all right? Anyway, portfolio, this is mine. Today I had Harmony One, Acro, Nextra, RSR, and ICP up in the portfolio. And yeah, BlackRock, I think, has been slowly dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Anyway, let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below for this, guys. Please feel free to use it. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. And of course, with this stuff, do your own research. Now, Coinspot is an official partner of the channel, as well as OKX, and we'll get to that in a second. But Bitcoin's sitting at 41,000 Australian dollars today. Ethereum's at $2,659. Aussie, XRP's at 84 cents. Now, again, dollar cost averaging every single week into my favorite crypto assets. Again, they're all in the Patreon and in the portfolio. Cardano's at 42 cents. You've got Doge at 10 cents. Now, again, when I saw this go to 80 cents Australian, I cashed out a large portion of it, put it into Bitcoin, and of course that's in cold storage, locked away. But anyway, so again, I'm still holding on to a decent amount of Doge. Solana's at $34. You have Polkadot at $7. Matic's at 88 cents. Now again, I'm looking at accumulating more Polygon Matic, I should say. Shiba Inu as well, guys. A lot happening with this network in Shibarium. Was, expecting it to go a little bit high, but I'm still holding on to my Shiba Inu. Litecoin 104. You've got XLM at 20 cents. Chainlink is at $10. Hedera at 9 cents as well. We have Quant at 160. Optimism is one that I'm looking at to add in the portfolio. I might do that this weekend. We'll see how we go. $2.47. Moving down, we have XDC as well as 8 cents, which is nice. Axie's at $7.91. I am staking that at the moment on Coinspot, but that feature is going to be ending given the fact that the Australian regulators are now cracking down on earn with crypto, which is just ridiculous. Anyway, Theta is $1. Phantom at 33 cents. I do hold that. Neo's $11. We have Gala at 3 cents as well. Pepe, I am trading this, which is nice. I'm basically only trading it. I'm not holding it. Again, CFX 20 cents. Casper at 5 cents has flipped IOTA 23 cents. And that is pretty much it, guys. Let's have a look and see if there's some other gems. Yes, XYO I've been holding on for a very long time. This is under a cent again. Geospatial tracking technology is incredible, guys. I mean, it works for all industries. I love that. Good utility. And Reef, again, DeFi. And the founder of this basically called Sam Bankman-Fried's BS a long time ago. So again, it's an incredible project. So definitely undervalued at 0.002, so pennies. It's insane. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below, guys. This is growing every single day. Thank you to those 348 people. You guys absolutely rock. I've got 1,076 posts. That's a lot. Again, I put up on my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto day trading bots. My futures grid bots up in here. Obviously, my indicators are up in here. The news before I go live on the channel. Also, insightful stuff that I just think about and I put up in here, which is, really beneficial to everybody. And more importantly, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month, which is incredible as well. That is going to be basically providing generational wealth. So again, that is linked below, guys, in the description. Join up to the Wall Street Bull University, guys. Yes, that's the Harvard logo. There you go. So the Harvard School of Wall Street and crypto investing. It's incredible. Now, if I go to OKX, they are an official partner of the channel. This is my actual portfolio. I'm up $263 on the day with my crypto day trading bots, which is, incredible. On the week, I'm up. I'm obviously down because I got liquidated out of a few positions because I was trading with leverage, and I do not recommend trading with leverage unless you're well and truly prepared to lose it, because it can happen overnight. As you can see on the chart, I was sitting around about 12,000 Australian dollars and got liquidated there. Boom. It just happened so quick. Look at that in the same day. Absolutely nuts. Gives me the creeps, but that's what happens when you're trading cryptos, all right? Different from buying and holding, right? Anyway, I'm still up 119%, and I'm still up 430% on the month, which is nothing to, I'm very, very happy with that. Can't complain. Now, the bots basically trade long and short positions. I've got the bots both set up long and short, which is, again, it triggers based on the RSI indicator on the 30 and the 70. Now, if you look at the RSI indicator on your trading view, it's It's pretty straightforward. Basically, if it's below the 30, it will trigger a long position. If it's above the 70 level, it will trigger a short position. That's how it works. And you can see I've got 62 positions opened up at the moment. Now, look at this one right here. This has actually gone really well. Solana's in profit at the moment, $2.73 USDT, trading with 25x leverage. Again, 25x leverage is insane. It may not sound like a lot, but it is a lot. It's 25 times your money. And again, be very careful with this. I do not recommend anyone try a trade with leverage unless, again, you're prepared to lose it, because you can lose it like that, as you just saw. Anyway, I'm up on my Ethereum short position here of 26 USDT, which is nice. Down on Bitcoin, I've got a couple of other perpetual futures contracts here. Link as well. We've got a few positions open up in Ethereum Classic. Doge right here, BCH, TRX. A lot of positions, 60 positions are opened up. So again, this is trading for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, I can go to the history. Let's have a look here. If I go to the history, you can see here I've had a couple of liquidations. It does happen. It's not all perfect, but the majority of them are perfect. I mean, look at this one right here on a short. I've got 58 USDT. When was this open and closed? The 24th today, which is incredible. You can see right here, guys, as you can see, liquidated on that one, or basically closed out in a loss. Mainly wins and small profits. I mean, this one was a loss as well. That was on the 23rd to the 24th. Obviously, because it was on a short, the price went up. As you can see right here, this is the 24th to 23rd, so the positions opened up. Obviously, the market was down. There you go. So again, it does work. I use obviously a software, 3 commas, and again, that's all, the whole setup and how I do this is in the Patreon. I've got a full 15-minute video that I filmed yesterday. Again, very, very bullish stuff, guys. Go check it out. Link is below. Let's go to crypto bubbles, and yeah, again, it's a sea of green, which is really nice. Render is up 9.4% today. It's up 148 on the year, which is really good as well. $1.52 USD. DYDX, again, I have been trading this in the past, 10.6% on the day. Had you bought that yesterday, you'd be up 10% already in a day, which is just crazy when you think about that. $2.19 USD at the moment. Solana, guys, I'm very, very bullish on this, $21. And if Raoul Pal is correct, this thing is going to go parabolic to the Ethereum levels, because it's showing all the signs as Ethereum did back in the the previous bull market, which is just crazy. And 6 years ago, Ethereum was 97 cents, and it's now, what, $1,600 US, which is just unbelievable. Anyway, Hedera up 4.4% at 6 cents today. Really, really nice to see that. And of course, XDC, 1%. Gosh, the hype's jumped off this, hasn't it? Let me know in the comments below if you're holding XDC. I'm curious. And of course, we have our favorite XRP up 1.9% again. Sideways, absolutely sideways. Look at that sideways action right here. It's just been flatlining at 52 US cents right now. And again, it's still up 52% on the year. I'm just holding, having patience. A lot of people don't have patience, man. You need patience with this game. Again, XLM is at 12 cents as well, 5.1% on the day, which is really nice. Now, we have XRP erasing almost all of its gains following the landmark ruling. What happened? Anyway, XRP, one of the largest cryptos by market cap, obviously skyrocketed in mid-July. However, the digital asset has since fallen back to earth, trading at near 53 cents, which is, for me, it's great. And obviously, you can see right here, a bit more than 48-cent mark prior to the landmark ruling on the federal judge involving Ripple, the company that uses XRP to fuel its business. And as of Wednesday, XRP had a market cap of approximately $28 billion compared to what with roughly $25 billion before the Ripple ruling. But that's after reaching $43 billion in July. So it's erased a little bit. And obviously, the sudden tumble mirrors broader market downturns, which, I mean, stocks, cryptos, everything's down. And Bitcoin dominates the total market cap again, down from the 31,000 on the day for the ruling, now it nears $26,000. And the S&P is also down almost 2%, and NASDAQ is also dropped 3% for those stock investors. Now, this is basically what the article says. My sense is that XRP has given up on its gains, both due to the general and poor crypto market performance, and obviously a decision may be conclusive right now. Brian Rudick right here, a senior strategist in crypto trading firm GSR, told Fortune this is because the judgment is not binding precedent. The SEC is moving to appeal it. Full resolution could take months or years. Dramatic ups and downs XRP reflect the roller coaster ride of the sentiment following the unveiling of the initial Ripple ruling mid-July. And again, I'm not too worried about this because I know the utility of it. And again, we have to stick to what we know and understand and what's coming. And I'm not too worried about that. Again, it's not financial advice, but you know, I know the utility of XRP, and I should say all of the banking coins, more to the point. And I'm still remaining very, very bullish and optimistic again. Now, XRP community calls out Bloomberg, one of my favorite TV channels I watch literally every day on the way home from work, and obviously when I'm getting ready in the morning. It's very important to watch the financial markets. For misleading reporting on the SEC's plan to appeal a non-security status. And obviously you can see right here, members of the XRP community have slammed Bloomberg journalists over the misreporting current Ripple versus SEC case update. Top crypto legal veteran Johnny Deaton has even offered to help clear the air, which is crazy. And according to the video clip shared on Bloomberg Crypto, the digital asset channel of the media house, BASAC reported the US regulator plans to file an interlocutory appeal challenging the federal court's decision on XRP's non-security status. In addition to this footage, there was a portion of a recently published Bloomberg article dubbed SEC Moves to Appeal Ruling that XRP is not a security. And basically, BASAC also talked about the Judge Rakoff's rejection of the ruling made by Judge Torres. This is a lot of FUD. This is a lot of FUD news, guys. Don't pay attention to it, all right? Now, Ripple's XRP beyond $25 surge vision as potential world reserve currency explored. World reserve currency. Ripple, a prominent blockchain in the crypto industry, is behind XRP. Again, while XRP's publicity has not always placed it in a positive light, market players are increasingly highlighting fundamental metrics that could significantly improve the Ripple ecosystem. And several analysts have projected ambitious price targets for XRP, citing a favorable price movements. Amid the projections, prominent XRP community figure Dig Perspectives is more excited to see XRP as a world reserve currency. In a recent post on X, Dig Perspective set sights beyond the long-term price targets of $10 to $25 for XRP. Easily, while he confirmed that he could reveal a profit taking if XRP trades at $10 or $25, Dig Perspective emphasized that he would be more elated to see XRP assume the position of the world reserve currency. Do you reckon it could be the world reserve currency? I think it could too. Now, moving on, we have Ethereum. Could see liftoff if able to clear the crucial level right here again. Steady recovery. Ethereum's price formed a support base above the $1,580 level and $1,600 levels. Ethereum started a recovery wave and was able to rise above the $1,650 resistance like Bitcoin. There was a break above the key bearish trend line with a resistance of $1,660 on the hourly chart, ETH USD. And obviously the pair is now struggling to clear the 1,700 resistance zone. Whatever, man. I'm not even looking at these. And again, I do believe Ethereum is a crucial part of a portfolio, given the fact that it is the favorite of the SEC. When you think about it, they're going to launch an Ethereum ETF very soon, in my opinion. Scarcity escalates right here, which is crazy. Historical analysis indicates that increasing scarcity puts Bitcoin on track for a potential post-halving rally. And obviously you can see right here, sequential halvings magnify Bitcoin's deflationary character. And obviously, the crypto scarcity right now, an element central to its value proposition. As the reduction rate approaches the 50% mark, the Bitcoin market is poised to encounter increased scarcity, which may significantly influence price dynamics. I think there will be a rally before the next halving. Given the fact that the amount of institutional interest that it is in crypto right now, I think it's going to soar for sure. Now, Bitcoin back up to 26,500 as crypto mirrors Wall Street gains. And Bitcoin rose on Thursday morning, that is today in Asia, to trade $26,500. Ether also moved up. Solana led the winners in the top 10 stablecoin token, non-stable coin tokens. There you go. Tongue twister. The SEC is not coming for Cardano, which is really interesting, guys. Hoskinson explained that the SEC's continuous crackdown on crypto entities and the political has nothing to do with securities laws. Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, believes that the SEC will not come after the project's native token ADA. During the recent YouTube interview right now on Corey Costa's Crypto Coins, Hoskinson pointed out that there has been no enforcement action against ADA so far. Touch wood. And that would not change because the asset was mentioned as a security in a lawsuit against a crypto exchange. There you go. And they're not coming after them, guys. So I'm still bullish on Cardano. You got Coinbase obviously delisting 7 assets right here again. They're going to be basically delisting the following. Barnbridge right here, Bond, Deriva DAO, DDX, Jupiter, Multi-Chain, Uki, and Voyager, VGX. Now, again, I was looking at this one, Voyager, a while ago, but on September 6th, at around 1600 UTC time, old Turkish time right there, guys, declared that it would delist. Interesting. Moving on again, Ripple, dominant choice among young crypto investors. Why? Because we know what we're doing anyway. Altcoins have taken a center stage. Obviously, 20-year-olds showcase a bold market approach. Ripple has emerged as a favorable altcoin choice, exceeding Bitcoin and Ethereum's appeal. Expert insights have hinted at a trend focused on agile gains over stability. There you go, man. Now we have Solana as well, integrating with Shopify today, which is incredible as well, has been selected for payments. And obviously in the news, millions of businesses on Solana Pay platform will be able to use Shopify for payments as a result of Solana's Pay integration with Shopify. Bullish for those e-commerce players. Let's have a look here, CryptoMeter.io, guys. We've got money flowing into Ethereum right here, NetFlow. Obviously we've got XRP, Solana. Let's have a look here. DYDX, Monero, and of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are a given. Let's go to X and see what's going on here, guys. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there. Thank you to those 5,423 people. You guys rock. Again, I am giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. XRP, $755 million in 4 seconds. Beat that, Swift. It's crazy. T-Analyst, Bitcoin, the 4th greatest bull run begins. Agreed. Moving on, we've got Goldman Sachs obviously stating the following. We welcome Ripple to the Bank of International Settlements and look forward to expanding our business with them in the global payment space with their digital asset technology. XRP, Goldman Sachs. We've got obviously explosive news in the crypto world. Rumors swirling that financial titan BlackRock is using Coinbase to quietly accumulate Bitcoin. Very, very interesting right here. NVIDIA, own it, don't trade it. I don't know, man. That's a sign from Jim Cramer right there. Brad Garlinghouse, absolute legend. Institutions are buying Bitcoin. And yes, Michael Saylor is very, very bullish on that. Moving on, of course, it does seem a bit bizarre to approve a Bitcoin futures ETF and not a spot ETF in the United States, the Financial Times. Yes, very, very bizarre. Yes, the Slumdoge millionaire. Don't do this. Please don't end up with $2.9 million and not take profits. It's just madness. Again, I respect the guy, and he's made himself obviously known in the YouTube world and the crypto world, and obviously he's making an income from whatever he's doing on YouTube and social media. Great. I'm happy for that. This was a bad move. Anyway, I remember Graham Stephan actually on his YouTube channel did a video with Slumdoge, and literally Graham turned to him and said, look, can I actually cash out your profits? Because I believe at one point, it did reach, again, that $3 million level. So, again, just unbelievable, man. Wow. Anyway, Goldman Sachs research paper highlights XRP as a cross-border payment digital asset. There it is right there. Can't BS that. That's there in front of your face. Trading platform Robinhood to offer trading of XRP by the end of the year, which is huge. And of course, we've got Bitcoin mining difficulty hits a new all-time high right now. Again, that is crazy. And there's a lot of hashes right there on average to find a block. And the fear and greed index is sitting at 37. Now, let's go to coin market cap. And we're going to end up here, guys. Again, total is $1 trillion at the moment. It's very low. $32 billion in volume, 48% BTC, 18% Ethereum, 26,600 cryptocurrencies today. It's going up like crazy. Be careful those Binance Smart Chain coins. Again, I got caught out in the last bull market because I had friends to say buy it, but nah, didn't end up very well. Top altcoins in the portfolio, guys. Again, this gets posted up in the Patreon every single morning when I'm having my coffee. And of course, the focus is the banking coins for me anyway. It's not financial advice, but again, these are the ones that are building out the new payment rails for the future. Right in front of your face, and you can read up on it all day long, guys. That's basically what happens every single day with them. But anyway, XRP, guys, cannot wait for this thing to go parabolic. Will it be the world reserve currency? Let me know in the comments. All right. Thank you very much. Join the Patreon, linked below, and I will speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good evening, a good night, a good afternoon. If it's morning, have an espresso. All right, guys. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye.